Caution: do not touch the cutter blade with your fingers. The sharp blade edge of the cutter may cause you to get injured. Do not shake the cutter holder after having set the cutter. Otherwise, the blade edge may pop out, causing you to get injured. Store the cutter blade in a place that is out of the reach of children. In addition, dispose used cutter blades in accordance with regional laws and regulations. Replace the tool on the cutter unit. Go to Cutting, Tool Change, and press the Enter key. Cutter unit slides back to the left end in the main unit. Turn the knob to loosen the holder presser. Remove the tool from the tool holder. Insert the tool into the tool holder. Never touch the cutter blade on the cutter holder with your fingers when inserting it in the cutter holder. Push the brim of the pen or cutter holder against the tool holder and secure the brim with the holder presser. Turn the knob of the tool holder clockwise and firmly fix it. Secure the tool firmly or cutting quality will be degraded. Once finished the tool replacement, press the Enter key. Now the tool replacement is completed. Double-check your operation manual as well.